and we will just put a smear of oil on the ball. So now we've got oil on the ball. We will take the Sharkpa bowling pad and we will now wipe the ball. And what we're doing here is taking the oil off the ball, little flip, repeat, and you can see how that oil comes clear off that ball. That is dry, squeaky clean. And it actually brought out these little scratch marks in this particular old bowling ball. You can see those scratches really well now. All right, guys, it cleans deep and down into the deep layers. You can see that this fabric is very thick, very plush, so you're not gonna have to worry about it wearing out on you. So guys, that's the Sharkpa bowling pad, made right here in the USA, sewn, handcrafted in Sauk Rapids, Minnesota, and ready for shipping when you are.
Sharkpa. Hoo-ha!